Welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. Today's recipe is a healthy recipe, you guys. And we're gonna make it simple and delicious. And it's Mexican style. That's what I think anyway. So what we're gonna make today, you guys, is some stuffed chicken and cilantro, I can't even get it out right. Cilantro lime rice, you guys. And what we're using is some rotel. You see it. Diced tomatoes with is it jalapeno? Yeah. No, it's not jalapeno. Habanero. I'm sorry. Habaneros, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna use that for the tomato base. And we also have some rotisserie chicken breast that I cut up. And we got the bell peppers, you guys. We got the big bell peppers. But anyway, I don't mean to put that in y'all face. But we got to get busy, okay? Because I want to put a pre-boil on these. And I want to dice this up. And I have to mic this, okay? I have to mic the rice. I have picked up a case from over at Costco's. And I said, you know, I never tried it. But I know it's healthy, and I just want to go and get into the health of things right now. So, you guys, come on, let's get busy. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut these in half because one or two may not stand up straight. But we're going to cut them in half because that's how I'm going to stuff them. And so that makes basically 6, right? Because the family is so small. And I just want to clean these out and get all that out of there as much as possible. I don't know. I guess you can call it the membrane. I don't know. But anywho, we're going to make a little mess, but it's okay. Because we want to make sure that we don't get these seeds up in here. But I want to hold as much in there that I can. I don't want to cut this part because I want to hold it as a filter. And be careful when using a knife. And that didn't cut too well. I wind up taking it out anyway. But anywho, I could never be so great. You guys, if you're a first time viewer, thank you. And I'll leave that one in there. And if you're not part of the family, what you waiting on? Over here is real cooking. I enjoy cooking and bringing different recipes to you guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that one over in there. And we're going to fill this pot up. We're going to fill this pot up so that we can put a pre-soften on them because they are going into the oven. And I think I'm going to pick a day when we can use air fried healthy recipes, you guys. Now these recipes is good for diabetics, weight watching your calories intake, and healthy eating. You guys, you might want to try it. So yeah, you want to fill it up, cover each pepper, and yeah, let it come. I ain't gonna say to a boil, but you don't want them too soft. Just keep that in mind. So we have our chicken that I poured from the rotisserie. And I think that's enough chicken. And I'm just going to dice it up, chop it up. You guys, I got 2 mats up here. but it doesn't matter. We're just gonna dice it up. Now, rotisserie already have slight seasoning on it, but I'm gonna put me some saffron on it just to enhance the flavor. Okay, let's put this over here. I think that's enough chicken. What you guys think? I think that's enough chicken. Because we don't want to overpower the cilantro rice. Because it has a lime flavor. So we're just going to put us a little saffron on here. I have some other chicken breasts left, which I'm going to make us a salad on the side. I know you guys don't too much want to see that. But that's what we're going to have for dinner today. We're thinking healthy. And I'm just going to season that on up. Because we got to get it in here, right? And we're going to mix it right on up, just like that. Just like that, without a bowl. Why? Because I can. Okay. Because I can. Okay, guys, so we have mic'd our cilantro rice. And I'm just going to cut it open and dump it in the bowl. Oh, look at there. Okay. Now I have enough. Ooh, the lime that's coming off the flavor of this rice. Oh, my heavens. Okay, okay. Now we have our rice right here. Oh my goodness. And what we're going to do first is we're going to add our chicken, right? I always make too much. But anywho, it's definitely good eating, even if you don't choose to eat it in the bell pepper. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take some of these tomatoes, not a lot, and some of the juice. Because we need some juice up in there. At least I think so. I don't want to do that knocking. Let me get a fork, you guys. Sorry, I stepped away. But we're just gonna mix that on up in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you can smell the flavor. Y'all. Now if y'all know me, y'all know Miss T gotta add some more seasoning. Okay? I'm just gonna add a little black pepper, okay? A little black pepper. Because we got the saffrons in there. I might not be saying that right, but anywho. Let's put us a little more flavor up in there. And you know, I was going to do this without cheese, but I got some pepper jack just laying around the house. And you know, hey, what's a good recipe if you can't create it yourself? And we're going to put us a little pepper jack in there, just like that. Why? Because I'm a cheese lover. And from the videos, you can tell I'm a cheese lover. Okay, and that will be it on that. Let me take my peppers out. Okay, guys, so as you see, I am back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff these peppers just like so. Now, I can't hold it in my hand. Because they're so hot, right? And it's okay if we get a little bit on this pan. Because I want to get it right down in there. And I want to make sure they are stuffed. Oh my goodness, you guys. It smells so good. Let's put a little more on each one. Let's see. I think it works better with the fork. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some around on the sides. Waste not, want not. Over here. Because we're gonna go ahead. That way they can scoop some rice up with it. Well, I can't really, let me see. I can't really get more rice in the corners because the corners are so small. But we got it in there. I'm only putting that in there because you never know who wants some more, you know? So, I'm going to put some cheese on top, just like that. Just onto the peppers. And I'm going to just do it like that. Had to rinse my hand off, you guys. We're going to put us a little parsley. Just a little. Because it makes everything look nice, right? Okay. And we're going to use the rest of our tomatoes. I know, right? I do the most when it comes to cooking. I do. And we're going to put it just like that. Because we waste not, want not over here. You know, some got to fall. Boy, I tell you, it could never be great. You could never be great. You guys, check that out. That is, I mean, hey. Try this recipe. Share it with your friends and your family. Let's put a little more right there. I gotta keep it light because certain people don't like tomatoes like that. But your girl do. We're gonna make that mama's right there. Okay? We're gonna make it mama's. Now, what I'm going to do is pour a little juice onto the tomatoes. That one getting no juice, but okay. And we're gonna slide this in the oven until the cheese is nicely melted and everything has come together, because our bell peppers was pre-cooked. So thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel if you're not part of the fam. What you waiting on? All I do is everyday cooking, you guys. That's it. And I show you a twist to a healthy meal, a fattening meal. No, let me stop. But anywho, we got our oven on 350, and we're gonna slide this into the oven, you guys. So we, like I say, we got our oven on 350, and we're just gonna slide this into the oven and let it do a thing. Y'all, I had to come back. Now we know we got that in the oven, right? So I told you guys I wanted to taste this and keep it on the side, you know. But anywho, this is gonna be my lunch for today. You guys, I had to show you guys and let you guys hear. You guys, you can take this to the bank. This cilantro, this chicken, rotisserie, the habanero, rotel, tomatoes, took it to a whole new level. And let's not forget, the pepper jack cheese is in this too. Took it to a whole new level, you guys. When I tell you this is healthy but yet delicious, you taste the lime, you taste the cilantro, you taste the heat. You guys, I'm gonna need a couple of y'all cooking videos, channels, to try this recipe. And tag me in it. I definitely will put you on my community post. You guys, I kid you not. That's good eating right there. I knew I should have opened up my restaurant a long time ago. Can I get some donations? No, I'm just joking. But anywho, call me greedy. Call me whatever you like. But always put a miss on it and try the recipe, because then you'll change your tune. Now, here go the finishing touches. You guys, does that not look delicious and healthy? It's an easy recipe, homemade, as you guys saw. Oh, excuse me, I'm belching and stuff. But anywho, you guys, and it tastes delicious. It tastes delicious, you guys. You might want to try this for the family, you guys, because I wouldn't give you something that I will not eat. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below so I can see who's in the building and I can correspond with you guys. And yeah, try this recipe out at your house. You will love it. And the heat was perfect. Blend. I took it up a notch. But anywho, this is our dinner for today. Something healthy. Something keto. Can I say that? Keto friendly. But anywho, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, like, comment, and share with everyone. Let them know your girl's making healthy recipes over here. And don't forget, it's diabetic friendly. And you can share this with just about anybody who loves cilantro rice, who loves the chicken, and I must say, the saffron. Yeah, baby. I'll be buying that more often. So I'm going to close this video out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.